I dream of growing flowers in my balcony.
I love open spaces, a lot of greenery, a lot of fresh air and light.
Home is where I can be myself. No questions asked.
I'd love to live in a place where neighbors feel like family, like the good old times.
When you picture the perfect home, what do you dream of? For me, it's a space that never stops inspiring me to grow, to live better every single day. Now here's a man who spent the better part of his life dreaming up the perfect home and community for modern, wholesome living. Let's say hello to Mr. Snehdeep Agarwal, the heart behind every Nico home.
I dream of a good life for everyone who lives in a Nico home. I realized that when you think of a home, things that come to your mind are family, community, culture, health, and learning. Can we create a home which can empower us to be better people, which can make us happier people? And I love Dalai Lama when he says, the meaning of life is to be a happy person. Can our homes and its surroundings make us a happier community, happier country, happier nation?
At Nico Homes, which is a part of Bhartiya City, the answer is always yes. I've never seen a modern neighborhood that is better colored with joy and life. You just don't move into a home here, but you become a part of a close-knit community that shares its love for nature, hearty laughs, good design, productive and healthy living, and the unexpected call of the ice cream Gaadi. Here you become one with the space that's joyful by design.
Nico Homes is centered around its community, where everybody in that community is involved in each other's lives. Historically, India has always been a country of colors, a country of festivals, where the communities come together. And that relays and reflects really well inside Nico Homes.
There's more than one way to look at good design. I mean, one thinks immediately of good design. Is it beautiful? Is it visual? Is it enticing? The other way of looking at good design is does it work? Does it do what you want it to do? Does it make you feel good? When you do it from an urban design perspective, what makes good design is, are you comfortable? Is it a joyous place? Are you enjoying being there? Do you see your neighbors? Do you have interaction with those people? Or do you just walk down the street?
From the space around a Nico home to the space within it, you are always in the presence of thoughtful design. Little details can make a big difference to the way you live and feel, and create a feeling of an urban resort to what you call home. So just what does it take to make Nico Homes the happy place that it is?
With Nico Homes, the idea was to provide a complete environment where people could enjoy interacting with each other as well as the space around them. I believe that space is never a function of square footage. For example, a well-designed 1,000 square foot space will definitely be preferred over a badly designed 1,200 square foot space. So we have incorporated intelligent design that adds value to space. From proposing the bay windows and three-way bathrooms to suggesting adaptive furniture solutions while ensuring good light and ventilation to each and every room, we have made sure that the spaces within the Nico home are more livable, functional, and exciting.
My favorite things about a Nico Nest? Well, let's begin with these beautiful bay windows and picture book, open, Italian-inspired kitchens. A look outside the window and you will see just a few steps away, there's a clubhouse, pools, playgrounds, areas to run, stroll, and play at. There's also a cook studio for shared sessions and cravings. Whether you are flying solo, a young couple, a small family, or a big Indian khandan, I can bet you there is a home with your name on it right here.
Look at the Indian family system. We have so many types of families. can we create a system where we have so many types of homes that we don't fit people to a home, but can we fit a home to a family's need?
It's not just 2 BHK and 3 BHK. It is a whole thought process of how you design spaces for people to enjoy lives, people to live, people to have ideas of living differently. These are little things, but it will bring so much joy to people.
Given their passion for the craft of cooking and their skill for designing beautiful kitchens, they have partnered with some of the best Italian companies to provide specialized kitchens to every Nico home to make sure the cultural tradition stays alive. With the pace of life picking up with each passing day, saving time on commuting means more time for friends, family, and hobbies. That's the reason why the same design thinking and architecture that's gone into the making of Paris's 15-minute city concept has inspired the blueprint for life here at Bhartiya City.
When I talk of my home in Amritsar, I also think of the city of Amritsar. This was the old city of Amritsar, and I don't think it was designed by a master planner. It was a city which evolved. And now when I look back, I see a 15-minute city. We could get from anywhere to anywhere in maximum 15 minutes.
Bhartiya City was born to be no different. It's a smart and intelligent city with a central command center, making sure that every inch of the city works like clockwork. The entire city is well connected via tracks for cycling and walking. Everything you need is just a walk away. A lush central park with the Center Performing Arts at its heart, a hospital in the making, a world-class school, mall, hotel, convention center, and IT park will be round the corner from your Nico home. And 15 minutes is all you need to go wherever you need to go.
With the Bhartiya Mall of Bengaluru, we're not just building a mall, we're building the experiential center of tomorrow, the premier social destination in the city. You know, we want to give all the people here a chance to escape to joy whenever they need it. So what you'll find here is the best of fashion, the best of lifestyle, and the best of retail. We're creating some magical experiences with our food, with European street-style cafes.
Community, culture, creativity, convenience, all glued together with joy. That's a Nico life. When your space is filled with goodness, your days get better. And when your days get better, life is beautiful.
This kind of designing of this community can actually make so much impact in our lives that it gives us the possibility that the families unite together and live happily together and still have their privacy.